Assalamu alaikum, honorable viewers and my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Dear students, today I am going to teach the students of class 9 and 10. So, without wasting your time, please take all necessary things and be attentive to my class. Welcome to online class of Puran Bazar Girls High School. I am Mohammad Ali Hussain, State Headmaster, Puran Bazar Girls High School. Dear students, in my last class, I gave you some homework. Have you completed them? Okay. Today, take your homework and match your answer with my answer. Number one, village women who are sitting on the workplace may enjoy gossiping. Make it simple. The answer will be village women sitting on the workplace may enjoy gossiping. Number two, suddenly they saw a deer which was coming towards them. Make it simple. The answer will be suddenly they saw a bear coming towards them. Number three, one day the giant saw that some children were playing in his garden. Make it simple. The answer will be one day the giant saw some children playing in his garden. The education that he learned from these institutions played better role in his life. Make it simple. The answer will be the education learning from this institution played better role in his life. Number five, the boy who is walking on the street was hit by a bus. Make it simple. The answer will be the boy walking on the street was hit by a bus. Hey students, today I am also going to teach you rule 11. If there is relative pronoun who is, that, and then adjective, if we want to transform it into simple, we have to abandon relative pronoun and then write the adjective before the noun. Here we have to write a or an instead of the. For example, the man who is honest can shine in life. Make it simple. Dear students, here who is relative pronoun, is auxiliary verb, and honest is adjective. So the answer will be an honest man can shine in life. Number two, the boy who is industrious can get GPA 5. Make it simple. Dear students, here is also who relative pronoun is auxiliary verb and industrious is adjective. So the answer will be an industrious boy can get GPA 5. Number three, I helped a boy who was meritorious. Dear students, here who is relative pronoun, was is auxiliary verb, and meritorious is adjective. And meritorious indicate a boy. So we have to write meritorious before boy. So the answer will be I helped a meritorious boy. Number four, I helped a woman who was helpless. Make it simple. The students here who is relative pronoun, was is auxiliary verb, and helpless is adjective. And this helpless indicates woman. So we have to write helpless before woman. So the answer will be I helped a helpless woman. Number five, she helped those who are helpless. There are students here who is relative pronoun, where is auxiliary verb, and helpless is adjective. So the answer will be she helped the helpless. Gold is a metal which is very precious. Here, which is relative pronoun, is auxiliary verb, and precious is adjective. So the answer will be gold is a very precious metal. Number 7, I saw a bird which was flying. Make it simple. Here, which is relative pronoun, was is auxiliary verb, flying is participle. So the answer will be I saw a flying bird or I saw a bird flying. Number 8, the boy who are poor cannot afford to take a balanced diet. Here, who is relative pronoun, are is auxiliary verb, and poor is adjective, and poor indicates people. So we have to write poor before people. So the answer will be the poor people cannot afford to take a balanced diet. The students, today, thank you very much. Thank you all. Dear students, you know we all are passing through a very crucial time. So you have to stay at home and remain safe. But in emergency situation, if you have to go out, you have to use sanitizer, put on mask, and maintain social distance. Thank you very much. Thank you all.